Ever dreamed of circumnavigating the globe without having to sell a kidney? You know, there's a common myth that travel is as costly as a space mission. You might think you need the bank account of a Hollywood star to afford it. But what if I told you it's possible to see the world without breaking the bank? Intrigued? Well, stick around, because we've got some tips that will have you packing your bags in no time. Like and subscribe to the channel. Ready for the secret sauce to affordable travel? Here it comes. First up, off-peak travel. You see, timing is everything. By choosing to trot the globe during off-peak seasons, you can score big on flight and accommodation discounts. It's like attending a party fashionably late. You get the same experience, but without the crowd or the hefty price tag. Next, let's talk about flying. Budget airlines are like the unsung heroes of travel. Yes, they might not serve you gourmet meals on a silver platter, but they'll get you where you need to go without burning a hole in your wallet. Just keep an eye out for those pesky hidden costs. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Now, on to food. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Eat like a local. Not only will this save you a bunch of dollars, but you'll also get to experience authentic cuisine. Trust me, nothing beats a hearty street food meal that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Moving on, public transport is your best friend. Cabs and rental cars might seem convenient, but they can quickly add up and blow your budget. Instead, hop on a bus or catch a train. It's cheaper, and you get to see more of the city. Let's not forget about free attractions. Many cities offer free tours or attractions, so don't be shy to take advantage. You'll be surprised how much you can see and do without spending a dime. And here's a big one: travel insurance. It might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it could save you a fortune in case of unforeseen circumstances. Think of it as a safety net. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Lastly, pack light. Avoid excess baggage fees by packing only the essentials. Remember, you're going on an adventure, not moving house. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a budget travel guru. So, are you ready to explore the world without burning a hole in your pocket? That's right, mates. We've just shared some of the best tips to make your travels more affordable. Remember, it's not always about the money, but how smart you are with it. You don't need to be a millionaire to see the world. Now here's your next step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and hacks. Remember, the world is your oyster when you know how to travel